Love learning about new automotive technology, how to work on cars, or how to integrate premium car audio systems into newer vehicles equipped with advanced electronic communication systems, then you've come to the right channel. My name is Annie.
And I'm John.
We're a husband and wife team with over 60 years combined experience in the mobile electronics industry. Together, we have built a successful car audio business. Every day, we help clients by integrating new automotive technology and installing premium car audio equipment into their vehicles. Our videos reflect our daily life here at the shop. Subscribe for new videos each week to learn about new technology, new products, and the challenges of installation and integration. If you're passionate about cars, tunes, and tech, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. For more details or to check out our shop, visit our website, soundsincrediblemobile.com, or check out my blog, carstereochick.com.